Webflow best tips and trick. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to webflow.com. In the top right corner, click Get Started, then enter your email address and click Continue. Create a strong password, select Create Account, and enter your first and last name before clicking Continue. Once inside the dashboard, you can start a new project by clicking New Site at the top right. Webflow will give you several options to begin: AI Site Builder, a pre-made template, or a blank site. For a quick and automatic setup, it's recommended to choose the AI Site Builder. First, select a base type for your website. Give your project a name and click Next. Then, provide a detailed prompt describing your website's purpose and style. Once finished, click Next to move on to the Style Definition stage. Here, you can set the background to light, dark, or let the AI choose for you. You can also adjust the primary color by using the color picker or selecting AI Suggested. After finalizing your preferences, click Generate and wait for Webflow to instantly create your custom website.